Hi friends, my name is Ritesh and today I would like to show you that how we can create a parameterized stored procedure in T-SQL. Okay, so I will take a table for my example which is a employees table. Okay, let me execute this. This is my employee ID and this is the salary. I want to print the salary as like which is the highest salary, which is the second highest, which is the third highest, and which are my low level salaries. Okay, so I will pass the parameter as my employee ID on the basis like if I am entering this a particular employee ID, so I would like to it will display me the salary of like it is the highest or it is the lowest. So how I will print this through stored procedure. Let me open this new query. Okay, and here I will write the query here that what I want. It will be select from employees. Okay, select from employees. It will be employee ID comma salary. Okay, and it will be order by salary in my descending order. Okay, DESC. So this is my highest salary. These are my second highest. Okay, and this is third highest, and below 14,000 is my low level. So I want to print this. Now let me go to this tab and let me create the procedure. Create procedure. Okay, procedure name is procedure underscore salary. You can give it name it. You can name it according to your choice also. Okay, so I will pass the parameter as employee ID. So I will name it that parameter as EID, and that will be integer. Okay, as declared. Now I want to declare two integers. Okay, which is employee ID and salary. So it will be emp id integer in short. Okay, and another one is salary integer. Okay, and I will begin this begin select. Now I will give this table name, and now I will define these two integer. So first is my employee ID equal to employee ID comma sal equal to salary. Okay, and I will put the where condition here, where at the rate EID equal to employee ID. Okay, now I will put the condition here that 24,000 is my highest salary. So I will put the condition if at the rate sal is greater than or equal to 24,000. Okay, then I want to print this as highest salary. So print. Okay, firstly I will for printing this I want to I have to convert this integer into varchar. So how I can do this? Print cast. Okay, at the rate sal as varchar. Okay, varchar I will put the limit as 100. Okay, plus it will be my highest salary. Okay, and else if now I will put the second condition which is 17,000. So else if its sal is greater than or equal to 17,000. Okay, then print this as print. I will copy this. Okay, I will copy this so it will be easy. Print, and I will write this as second highest salary. Okay, now I will give my third condition. I will copy all this. Okay, and here for 17, instead of 17 I will write 14. So it will be 14,000 is my third highest. Okay, so I will write this third highest. Okay, now in else command I will copy this. Okay, in else I want the salary as my beyond 14,000 is my low level. So I do not want to put the condition because that is under else. Okay, so it will be the low level salary. Okay, now I have to end this, and let me create some space here so it will be printing properly. Okay, now it's fine, I think. And let me end this. Okay, let me execute this now. Command completed successfully. Let me execute my stored procedure, which is procedure underscore salary. Okay, now it is asking me the parameter which I have passed as employee ID. Okay, so like I will write the employee ID as 100, and let's see that what result it will print. So 24,000 is my highest salary, so that's why it is printing the 24,000 as highest salary. Okay, let me try another one. Let me try 145. Okay, 145, and it is printing the third highest salary, which is correct. 14,000 is my third highest salary. Okay, and let me try something different, something like 192. Okay, 192, and let me execute this. So this is the low level salary, so that is why it is printing as low level salary. Okay, so this is how we are creating a parameterized stored procedure in T-SQL. Okay, so hope guys you like this video, and if you like this video, please subscribe this channel. Thank you.